بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Alhamdulillah, welcome back to a new session of QAAIDAH NOORANIYAH. This is the first lesson of QAAIDAH NOORANIYAH. Okay, this is the first official lesson. So before we move on, let's have a small revision. I hope you all remember the rules. First of all, each and every lesson should start with the Basmallah. The second thing is the green color box indicates the lesson's number. Third one, the red color box indicates the lesson's title. So let's see how to pronounce this lesson. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. First, let's see how to read the Basmallah. We all know that Arabic alphabets contains haraka also. I mean, they have vowels. Arabic letters also have vowels. The vowels are short as well as long vowels. Today we will be speaking about the short vowels only. That is Fatha, Kasra, Dhamma. So here on the ba there is a Kasra. So how will the position of your lip be or your jaws? When you say a Kasra, there will be a small lowering of your jaws or the chin. Okay, B. It's this way. B. Bis. Now see, the letter Sin has a sukoon on it. So every letter when it has a sukoon, just remember to bring back your lip to the normal position. Okay, don't keep your lip in the previous position. Just keep your lip on the normal position whenever a letter is with a sukoon. Bis. Mi. Meem has a kasra. Apply the same rule. Your lower jaws will be lowered. Bismi. The chin will be lowered. Bismillahi. Now here the word Allah. Actually, the real word is Allah, but here we recite the name Allah as light, or light means tarqiq. There are heavy letters as well as light letters, but here we pronounce the letter Allah or the word Allah as light. Why is this? Because there are certain tajweed rules followed. When the name of Allah is preceded by a kasra or a letter with a kasra, the Allah is read as light. So we should recite Bismillahi. It is not Bismillahi. Okay, Bismillahi Rahmani. Now please note the point. The Ra has a shadda over it. The shadda means doubling of the letter. Okay, a shadda indicates a doubling of the letter. Bismillahir Rahmani. Ra. So the Ra has a shadda. The Ra has a vibration quality. Okay, this is the vibration quality of the letter Ra. So we should not give this vibration more than 2 seconds. You should control this vibration. Bismillahir Rahmani. You should give the shadda, control the vibration, and then pronounce the letter Ra. Bismillahir Rah. Now see the letter Ha. It's a letter, throatal letter. Okay, the letter is emitted from the middle part of the throat. And when you say Ha, an air gets passed. Okay, place your hands in front of your mouth, and when you say Ah, an air passes. Okay, an air passes. So Bismillahir Rahmani. Mani Rahim. Similarly, in the word Rahim, there is a shadda over it. So don't forget to control the vibration. You should not say like Bismillahir Rahmanir. That is wrong. Excessive vibration. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is the way we should recite Basmallah. So you should now follow the same rules while reciting the Quran. It's not only in this QAAIDAH NOORANIYAH that you apply this rule. Whenever you recite the Quran in your prayers or as well from the Quran, you should say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Understood? So another important point, you should not say this chapter, this Basmallah chapter, as the way of reciting the Quran. For example, you do not say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is wrong. Okay? In QAAIDAH NOORANIYAH, you should always say Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. This is how the way our Sheikh taught us. So you should also follow how he taught us. Okay? So we understood how to say the Basmallah. Now let's move on to the next step. The green color indicates the lesson's number. Ad-Darsul Awwal. Ad-Darsul Awwal. That means the first lesson. Dars means first. Lesson. Awwal means first. Okay, 1. Lesson 1. So ad-darsu. How do you pronounce ad-darsu? Dal has a shadda, so give ad. Ra has a sukoon, ad-dar. Seen has a dhamma position, that is a haraka. The dhamma, whenever you pronounce the dhamma, your lip will move forward. Okay, su, like this. Each and every haraka has to be given its right. If you don't follow the jaw movements or your lip movements properly, then it's wrong. So be careful while pronouncing the haraka. Ad-darsul. So what did I say earlier? Whenever you have a sukoon on a letter, you should bring back your lip to the normal position. So ad-darsu means your lip was in the dhamma position, right? So now we are returning back to the normal position because the lam has a sukoon over it. Ad-darsul. Can you understand? Ad-darsul awwal. Now see, the waw has a shadda. Awwal. Understood? So easy, just you need practice. Now the next box, the red color box, indicates the lesson's title or heading. We need to know what we are learning, right? So this is huruful hija'il mufradah. So huruf means letters, hija means alphabets, mufradah means single alphabet letters. Here we are learning only the single alphabet letters. Okay, hurufu. Similarly, move your lip forward because it has a dhamma. Huruful hija'il. Remember the haraka, okay, properly. Hija'il mufradah. I hope it's clear. Next thing is ra. Here you should not recite the ra as ra. It's not ra. It is ra. Huruful hija'il mufradah. This is how it is recited. Okay. Now let's move on to the first 5 letters today. Keep in mind, when I am zooming here, all the boxes contain a red color word, right? See, alif, ba. It is the name of the letter. Now see, if you have 2 persons, for example, and we don't know the name, okay, we are just describing about her or him, like she is tall, she is short, she is fat, she is thin. So we don't recognize who she is or who the person is. When we say the person's name is Aisha or Fatima, yes, we know that this is the person we are speaking about. Similarly, all the letters of Arabic language have special names. These are the names that are given in the red color in the boxes at the top most corner. I hope you all get it. So in QAAIDAH NOORANIYAH, whenever you give a lesson, you should recite the letter's name, okay? Name, the complete letter's name you have to recite. I hope it's clear. Now see, alif. It's not alif or alif. Some people do recite alif. When they go fast, they say alif ba. It's not like that. It is alif. The lam has a kasra. So alif. Okay, do not give any stress. Alif. It's so simple. Next letter is ba. Ba. Now when we zoom on this letter, the ba has an extra alif, right? The ba has an extra alif. So we give 2 seconds. 2 seconds to recite the letter. Ba. It's not ba. It's not alif ba ta sa. Don't go like that. It is alif ba. That is how it is pronounced. Okay. Now the next letter ta. It's so simple. Okay, you all know the things, but still you need practice. Ta. The ta is a letter that is emitted from the tip of the tongue, and our tip will be touching the gum lines, upper gum lines. Okay, behind the central incisors, behind the 2 upper teeth. 2 upper front teeth are called central incisors. So our tip of the tongue will be behind the gum line of incisors. Okay. Ta, here also the ta has an alif. So give 2 seconds and say ta. I hope it's clear. Now let's see, the next letter is sa. How do you pronounce this letter? Bring your tip of the tongue with a small milliliter outside your mouth. Keep the tip below the edge of upper incisors, upper central teeth, upper 2 front central teeth. Okay, sa. So your small millimeter of the tip of the tongue will be outside the mouth. It's not inside the mouth. Okay, it should be outside the mouth. Sa. So there will be an air passing. Keep your hands in front of your mouth and pronounce the letter sa. You can feel some air passing. right? Sa. Whenever I am teaching, you do it practically, okay? So that you may understand well. Sa. Here also the sa letter has an alif, so it is called sa. Give 2 seconds. Now the last letter we are going to teach here is jeem. Jeem. See, the jeem has 3 letters. Jeem, ya, meem. It's not ja, okay? It's not ja. It's jeem. Jeem. So the 3 letter means 3 seconds. Now you should not recite this letter as dream, dream or ja, ja. It's not a French style letter. You do not pronounce the jeem as jeem or cheem. It is jeem. There should be no air passing through this letter when you are pronouncing. Okay, I hope it's clear. As it's the first lesson, I just want to move slowly. Inshallah, for the next class, we'll move a little bit faster. Now I want you all to repeat along with me. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. الدرس الأول حروف الهجاء المفردة ألف با تا ثا جيم. I hope it's clear. Just practice and inshallah may Allah make it easy for you. Jazakumullah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. If the classes are beneficial, please subscribe, like and ask any doubts in the comment section. Pass on this link to others as Sadaqah Jariyah and earn double rewards.